Amethyst is a beautiful purple stone. It is a type of quartz crystal. Amethyst is found in many places around the world. Its color can be light lavender or deep purple. Amethyst is a popular gemstone. People have loved it for centuries. It is known for its calming and peaceful energy. Amethyst is believed to have many spiritual and healing properties. It is a powerful stone for meditation and spiritual growth. It can bring balance and harmony to the mind and body. Amethyst has a rich history and deep spiritual meaning. This beautiful purple stone has captivated human imagination for centuries. In ancient times, it was highly valued, not just for its beauty but for its perceived mystical properties. People believed it had magical powers, capable of warding off evil and bringing good fortune. The name amethyst comes from the Greek word amethystos, meaning non-intoxicated. The Greeks believed that this stone could protect them from the effects of alcohol. Amethyst was thought to prevent drunkenness, and it was common to find amethyst in drinking vessels and goblets. People wore it as an amulet for protection, believing it could shield them from harm and negative energies. Throughout history, amethyst has been associated with royalty and spirituality. Its deep purple hue was a symbol of power and nobility. It was used in crowns and jewelry by kings and queens, signifying their divine right to rule and their connection to the spiritual realm. It also adorned religious objects and spaces, enhancing the sacredness of temples and altars. Amethyst is a stone of transformation. Its energy is believed to help individuals undergo profound personal growth and change. It helps us to connect with our inner wisdom, providing clarity and insight during meditation and spiritual practices. It guides us on our spiritual journey, offering protection and support as we navigate the complexities of life and seek deeper understanding. Amethyst is a powerful healing stone, known for its stunning purple hues and its ability to transform energy. It has a calming and soothing energy that can envelop you in a sense of peace and tranquility. This beautiful stone can help to relieve stress and anxiety, making it a perfect companion for those seeking emotional balance. Amethyst is believed to promote peace and tranquility, creating a serene environment wherever it is placed. It can calm the mind and emotions, allowing for a deeper state of meditation and inner peace. By helping to release negative thoughts and feelings, amethyst can cleanse your aura and bring clarity to your mind. This beautiful stone is also said to improve sleep quality, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. It can reduce nightmares and promote restful sleep, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Place an amethyst under your pillow or near your bed to harness its sleep-enhancing properties. Amethyst can enhance intuition and psychic abilities, making it a valuable tool for spiritual growth. It helps to open the third eye chakra, which is associated with insight and higher consciousness. This allows for greater spiritual awareness and insight, helping you to connect with your higher self and the universe. Section 4. Finding Peace Within. Meditation and Amethyst. Amethyst is an excellent stone for meditation. Its calming energy helps to quiet the mind. It allows you to connect with your inner self. Hold an amethyst crystal in your hand while meditating. Focus on its energy. Feel its peace and tranquility flow through you. Amethyst can enhance your meditation experience. It helps you to reach deeper states of relaxation. It promotes clarity and insight. Visualize its purple light surrounding you. Feel your worries and stress melt away. Embrace the peace and stillness that amethyst brings. Section 5. Cleansing with Amethyst. Purifying your space. Amethyst has cleansing properties. It can purify your energy field and your surroundings. It helps to create a peaceful and harmonious atmosphere. Place amethyst crystals in your home or workspace. They will absorb negative energy. They will promote a sense of peace and well-being. Amethyst can also cleanse other crystals. Place them on top of an amethyst cluster. Leave them overnight to clear any negative energy. Amethyst purifies the air and promotes positive energy flow. It creates a sacred and harmonious space for your spiritual practices. Section 6. Amethyst in your life. Simple ways to connect. There are many ways to incorporate amethyst into your daily life. This beautiful purple stone is not only visually appealing but also carries a host of benefits that can enhance your well-being. Wear it as jewelry, carry it with you, or place it in your environment. Amethyst can be a constant companion, providing its soothing energy wherever you go. Wear an amethyst necklace or bracelet. These pieces of jewelry are not just accessories. They are tools for maintaining a sense of calm and balance throughout your day. It will keep its calming energy close to you throughout the day. The gentle vibrations of amethyst can help you stay centered and focused, no matter what challenges you face. Carry a small amethyst tumblestone in your pocket. This simple act can be a powerful way to keep stress at bay. Hold it whenever you feel stressed or overwhelmed. The touch of amethyst can provide immediate relief, helping you to regain your composure and clarity. Place amethyst geodes or clusters in your home or workspace. These larger pieces can transform the energy of an entire room. They will radiate positive energy. The presence of amethyst can uplift the mood and create a more harmonious environment. They will create a peaceful and harmonious atmosphere. Meditate with amethyst regularly. Incorporating amethyst into your meditation practice can deepen your experience. Experience its profound calming and transformative effects. As you meditate, the energy of amethyst can help you reach a state of deeper relaxation and insight. Allow it to enhance your spiritual journey. Whether you are seeking clarity, peace, or spiritual growth, amethyst can be a powerful ally on your path. Section 7. Embracing the amethyst energy, a path to tranquility. Amethyst is a gift from the earth. It is a powerful tool for spiritual growth, healing, and transformation. Embrace the calming and peaceful energy of amethyst. Allow it to guide you on your journey to inner peace and spiritual awakening. Use amethyst to enhance your meditation practice, cleanse your energy, and create a harmonious environment. Connect with the ancient wisdom and healing power of amethyst. Experience the transformative effects it can have on your life.